Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PS4 controller to a PC. Many PC games don't natively support PlayStation controllers, but with DS4 Windows, you can easily bridge that gap. This fantastic open-source tool tricks your computer into thinking your DualShock 4 is an Xbox 360 controller, opening up a world of gaming possibilities. It also offers extensive customization for a truly personalized experience. First, you'll need to download the DS4 Windows software. Head to the official website and grab the latest zip file. Once downloaded, extract all the contents to a folder you can easily find, like your documents. You'll also need to install the Microsoft NET desktop runtime and the VI GM bus driver, which are crucial for DS4 Windows to function correctly on your system. Now, let's connect your controller. For a wired connection, simply plug your PS4 controller into a USB port on your PC using a micro USB cable. If you prefer wireless, ensure your PC has Bluetooth enabled. Then, put your controller into pairing mode by holding down both the PlayStation button and the share button until the light bar begins to flash rapidly. With your controller connected, open DS4 Windows. You should see your controller listed in the Controllers tab. Navigate to the settings and check the Hide DS4 Controller box to avoid any double input problems in games. From here, you can create and customize profiles, adjusting button mappings, touchpad sensitivity, and even the light bar color to suit your gaming style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.